The official number of people died in the state of West Bengal because of coronavirus on April 23rd was 15. But on April 24th, the government said that the death toll in the state is 57. यानी कि figure went up 4 times in 24 hours. There are accusations that the state of West Bengal is either fudging the data or is just not telling us the truth of coronavirus in the state. But what are the basis of these allegations? The state of West Bengal is one of the most populated states in India. It has also the highest population density. So obviously यहाँ पे outbreak के बड़े होने का danger सबसे ज़्यादा है. But how is the state government responding to this pandemic? If we go by the government data, West Bengal is simply not testing a lot of people. The state, which has more than 9 crore people, tested just 659 people on April 1st and on April 27th the number was more than 12,000. आपको लगेगा कि ये तो एक बहुत बड़ा jump है, but compare it with the state of Maharashtra, which has tested more than 1,21,000 people till now, और Tamil Nadu, which has tested more than 94,000 people. अगर टेस्टिंग पर मिलियन की बात करें तो स्टेट की हालत और भी ज्यादा खराब है. द स्टेट ऑफ वेस्ट बंगाल हैज टेस्टेड लेस देन 150 पीपल पर मिलियन, whereas Delhi has tested more than 1900 people per million and the figure is 993 in Maharashtra. इस पैरामीटर में बात करें तो वेस्ट बंगाल इज वन ऑफ द वर्स्ट परफॉर्मिंग स्टेट्स इन इंडिया. What makes it more worrying is this fact. Some states like Maharashtra has high number of tests and high number of positive cases. States like Kerala has low number of positive cases and low number of tests. But the state of West Bengal has low number of tests but high number of positive cases. This is exactly the reason why the state needs to test more. और दूसरा सबसे बड़ा झोल. The state of West Bengal formed a death audit committee on April 3rd simply to analyze the number of people died in state because of coronavirus. But the question is, why would you need such a committee at first place when the doctor who is treating the patient can tell you the same thing? क्या ये एक एक्स्ट्रा फिल्टर लगाया गया नंबर ऑफ डेथ्स को अपने हिसाब से बताने के लिए? And then the opposition parties in the state accused the state government of not taking the pandemic seriously and violating the lockdown guidelines. At the same time, there were visuals of people in Bengal's fish and flower markets going around as there is no threat of pandemic at all. अब आता है इस केस में एक पॉलिटिकल ट्विस्ट. द यूनियन होम मिनिस्ट्री ऑन अप्रैल 19 set up 6 interministerial central teams which will examine the number of cases and the situation of pandemic in West Bengal, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh and Rajasthan. 2 teams were sent to West Bengal. One of the teams went in the northern districts whereas the other team went in the southern districts. इसके बाद तो स्टेट में जैसे बवाल ही मच गया. The state government did not like it and called it an attack on the federal structure of the country. On the other hand, the central IMCT team said that the state government is refusing to cooperate with them, जिसकी वजह से वे सिचुएशन का ठीक से पता नहीं लगा पा रहे हैं.
पश्चिम बंगाल में जो टीमें कोलकाता और जलपाईगुड़ी गई हैं, उनको राज्य सरकार और स्थानीय प्रशासन से सहयोग प्राप्त नहीं हो रहा है. उनको क्षेत्र का विजिट करने से रोका जा रहा है. उनको राज्य में स्वास्थ्य कर्मियों से इंटरैक्ट करने का अवसर नहीं दिया जा रहा, ना ही उन्हें ग्राउंड लेवल सिचुएशन का आंकलन करने दिया जा रहा है.
But the biggest controversy came later. The official number of people died in the state of West Bengal because of coronavirus on April 23rd was 15. But on April 24th, the government said that the death toll in the state is 57. यानी कि figure went up 4 times in 24 hours. पर ये हुआ कैसे? Actually, the state audit committee, which was formed in the first week of April, released its report saying that 39 of the 57 patients died because of the comorbid conditions. अब ये कोमॉर्बिडिटी क्या होता है? इसका मतलब द मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द पेशेंट्स इन वेस्ट बंगाल डिड नॉट डाई प्राइमरीली बिकॉज ऑफ कोरोना वायरस बट बिकॉज ऑफ द एग्जिस्टिंग हेल्थ कंडीशंस जैसे किडनी फेलियर या फिर हार्ट डिजीजेस. यानी कि इनको कोरोना वायरस तो था लेकिन इनके डेथ्स का रीजन कोरोना वायरस नहीं, इनकी एग्जिस्टिंग मेडिकल कंडीशंस थे. तो कुल मिलाकर सवाल ये बनता है कि ये फिगर्स तभी क्यों रिलीज की गई जब सेंट्रल गवर्नमेंट की टीम वहां पहुंची और उन्होंने हिसाब मांगा. व्हाई इज द स्टेट गवर्नमेंट नॉट बीइंग सो ट्रांसपेरेंट विद दिस डेटा? Why the state government is not testing a lot of people? And why is this politics? The state government alleged that the central government is simply not sending enough testing kits in the state. It also blamed the ICMR for sending faulty kits in West Bengal. There were also questions that why the central teams did not visit states like Uttar Pradesh. There seems to be no end to this political controversy, but our political leaders need to understand one thing: we cannot engage and waste our time in political controversies when there is a virus knocking at our doors. If you like this video, do not forget to drop in a like and subscribe to India Times.